Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. I'm in the new dollhouse again today. So here it is as it was when I bought it. And I've first of all just kept some of my old furniture from my other house and just kind of dotted it around, sort of rough plan where I might like to put it. Last week I made a start on the very top floor. I made this cute little back piece for it, so it kind of looked like walls when I'd got the roof off, and I put my old furniture in there so it felt familiar and cozy, and made just a really cool upstairs pad of office, reading lounge and coffee station. And I very easily covered the floor and the ceiling by taking it apart, because the brilliant thing about this new dollhouse is that it all comes into pieces. It's like a flat pack dollhouse, so it's brilliant for decorating, because you can actually take the floors out and then put the paper on, which is much easier than trying to squeeze it into a fixed dollhouse. Now that I've got the top floor done of the house, I'm going to move on and do a bit more decorating. I've got my sweater weather mug here, which is really cool. I've got it from B&M, and it's lovely, nice big cozy mug with lovely texture on it. And I'm just having a lovely coffee in there while I'm in my office, and then I can work on my dollhouse in here, which is great. So I'm going to get going and show you what else I have done. So this is the dollhouse. I've took the top floor off, and I've just took the taking the back out. You can show there that the back comes in and out, and as you can see, somebody got a bit crayon happy with it, so I've got to fix that. So just like the other one, I took the floor out and covered it with my Wood Effect sticky back plastic, and then I can get going on wallpapering the back wall. So you can see here I've put my downstairs wallpaper on there. So it's just a printable that I printed out on my printer, and then just glued it on with Pritt stick. And then upstairs I've decided how big I want the bedroom and how big I want the bathroom, so I've just cut my paper on my paper cutter and then just again glued it in. The back wall has got the different rooms divided, and although I had to sort of measure, it was so much easier to just be able to take that back wall down flat and glue those different wallpapers on. And you can see in place, you can see the holes where the wedges go for the floor. So I just have to make sure that my wallpaper goes to there. So it's really easy to do. And then I've just put that floor in. So the floor's done, the ceiling underneath is done, and it's starting to look like a home. I'm quite pleased with what I've managed to do up here in the bedroom and bathroom. I've made a wall divider using some white poster board, and I've cut a door shape, but instead of completely cutting the door out, I've left a hinge on it so the door actually opens and closes, and I think it actually looks quite nice half open, so I'm pretty pleased with that. And then I've got the two rooms that I can decorate. There's the lovely wallpaper and the dividing wall. I've still got to, and the ceiling looks great. I've still got to do the sides, so obviously I have to take the side pieces off and paper those, but it's going to be really easy. And I'm going to put a little door handle on the door as well. But at the moment I haven't fixed it into place. I'm just sort of leaving it standing there by itself, but I might glue it in if necessary. And then downstairs, I've got some leftover tiles from the old dollhouse. I'm thinking I might have enough there to make a kitchen area. And then the other side, I thought I'm not going to do the wooden floor on all three floors, so I think I'm going to make a carpet for the living room area, and I'm just using the same method that I have employed in previous makes for a rug. So I've just cut it. I cut a piece of cardboard the size of the floor that I need, and then I just used Pritt stick and just had 3 balls of wool on the go, a grey, a white, and then a white with sort of glitter kind of flecks in, and I just lay it on and then cut it and then just keep layering it in different patterns. So I didn't go white, grey, white. I sort of randomised it up. So it's a beautiful carpet. And then when I've finished it, I just then trimmed the edges, and it's an absolutely lovely carpet now. It's so simple to do, but looks really good. And then upstairs, I decided I didn't want the wood effect for the bathroom. So I had another tile. I think I used this tile floor in the kitchen of my old house, and I had one left. So I just cut that the size of my bathroom, and now I have a lovely tiled bathroom floor. Then I took the sides off the house and set about papering the bedroom and the living room and the bathroom. And as I say, it was just such an easy thing to do. And then I did do inside the windows, because they were pink. I just kind of did some green card in the bedroom, and then I think I did a grey card on the side of the bathroom. I might paint them possibly, but I just thought, well, that actually looks quite nice, and I'm probably going to paint them on the outside, but obviously that's a future project. So here we are. Here is the dollhouse, actually completely flat pack. So that's the living room carpet and the kitchen, and then the bedroom wallpaper, side walls, and the living room wallpaper. Then the back piece, and then the bedroom floor and the bathroom floor. So that's my dollhouse. It's amazing to think that it can just be in pieces. So now I've put it all back together. And I'm just really pleased with how it's looking already. It looks fantastic. So I'm just so excited. It's already starting to look like a home now, isn't it? So now I've got the big bit done, I feel that I can actually start decorating it and turn it into a fabulous new dollhouse. And as you can see there, I have put a door handle, just two beads either side, and I think that just makes that look fantastic, the door to the bathroom. And obviously when I put the floor on above, it will look better. So here we are. This is the dollhouse so far. So I've got the office, coffee station, reading room. So as I said, I'm leaving it as it is for now, but it's a possibility that it could become a rooftop garden. That might be a nice future project, or some other room with different furniture. But as I showed you last week, this is the furniture that I'd kept. So here we have now the bedroom and the bathroom with the dividing door, and then downstairs I have the living room and the kitchen. I'm not going to put a dividing wall between that because I think that could be an open plan. So here's a little project that I've just done. I've got lots of little things to make. I will do some shorts to keep you updated as I go. I have been doing shorts this week on my shopping expedition to Poundland. I hope you've enjoyed, and I have bought some lovely things. I can't wait to decorate, so that's an upcoming video. Here I have remade the bed. Obviously this was the bed from my old house, but it was a bit big, so I cut it down and then just taped it back. So just pieces of cardboard and then taped together. That's the bed box. And then I had this cushion, an old cushion that I didn't want, sort of Hessian type, and I thought, well, I'll use the back of it to cover it. And then I've got this jumper, an old jumper that will make a lovely duvet cover. So it's really simple. I just stretched it all round and taped it on, because you're not going to see underneath when I put it down. And that looks like a lovely divan bed now. And then the jumper is nice and easy. I've just again put some more tape on it just to weight it down and keep it in place, and then that just goes over nicely to make the cozy duvet. And then I've got some pillows that I had made previously, really simple, out of felt, and just folded it up like a parcel and stuffed it with a bit of stuffing, and I think those will look lovely. and that's my new bed for the bedroom. So at least I've got somewhere to sleep. Here it is, the dollhouse so far. So I've got my third floor complete. I've got my bedroom. I've got the bed. I've got the two side tables from my old house. So there's somewhere to sleep. I am going to obviously add some other touches to the bedroom. I think a wardrobe, maybe something on that back wall, like a little unit, or some wall art. So that's the bedroom to be done. And then the bathroom, as you can see in there, is the little bench that I did have in the other one, and a couple of toiletries and a plant pot. I've kept that for now, and then I'm going to obviously refit the bathroom. So I'm going to sort of go with the inspiration of the old bathroom. I liked the black and the white, so I've got to make a new toilet, a new vanity sink, because obviously this bathroom is smaller, and I sold all the other furniture in the old one. So it's fun anyway to make some new things, and then obviously I will still have a shower in there, and we'll see what happens, what else I can do. So I've got some ideas. That'll probably be my next video, I think, and then I can set about the final floor, which is the living room and the kitchen. That's the big one, so that'll be coming soon. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next week, take care. Bye-bye.